Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Common mistakes at Jonas Ace. You can learn from the experiences of others by avoiding the common mistakes made when bringing together alloy suites. If you are aware of and can avoid this error, you have a better chance of bringing a successful claim and getting the damage you deserve. Waiting to report an injury. Whatever you are injured on the job, whether you immediately believe you have a valid Jonas X. You have a valid Jonas X claim or not, you should report it right away. Report the accident to your supervisor and make sure that he or she fills out an official and complete accident report. This document is crucial in a lawsuit and offers more validity to the case when it's complete right after the accident. Worse yet, if you wait too long to report an injury, you may miss your window for filing a claim. Going back to work too soon. Going back to work before your doctor recommends that you do so can harm you when you seek damage in court. Your employer may try to claim that you were fine because you were able to work again so quickly. You also don't want to go back to sun and make your injury worse. Make sure you have a few medical opinions on whether you can return to work before you do so. Trusting the wrong lawyers. Maritime law is a complicated legal specifically, and you should not trust your lawsuit to anyone with little to no experience in this field. In general, personal injury lawyer will not understand all the ins and outs of the Jonas X and will not give you the best possible advice. Only hire a lawyer who specializes in maritime law and who has filed, litigated, and won Jonas X lawsuit for other seamen. Signing away your rights. The time period after a work injury can be stressful and confusing. An employer and their insurance company may do their best to convince you to sign documents that release them from liability. Get your accident report in immediately, but don't sign anything else from your employers. Your employer until you have spoken to your lawyers. It's also important that you don't allow your employer to record your testimony without your lawyer present. They may try to make you say something that will benefit their case in a lawsuit. Filing a lawsuit can be complicated and confusing, which is why you need the right legal advice. You should be knowledgeable and understand your right under the Act, but it is also important to have professional guidance. Find an experienced Jonas Act lawyer for advice and to help you make your case, and you have the best chance of winning damage. And then next, filing a Jonas Act claim. The steps taken to file a claim under the Jonas Act are all important, and if just one is missed, the omissions could be disastrous for your case. As a seaman, it is important to know and understand your right and to be aware of the process for filing a claim. It is also important that you rely on the knowledgeable advice of an attorney experienced with filing claims. As a seaman, you are entitled to maintenance and cure, and if your employer is not providing it, you can file this claim and make your case. And then get a complete and official accident report. If you suffer an injury while working on the navigable vessel, whether it is moving through the water or at docks, you could be eligible for damages. Your employer may not want to recognize any negligence, which is why you may have to file a claim to get the compensation you deserve. The first crucial step in the process is to file an official accident report through your employer. Your supervisor or manager should complete this report and include as much detail about the incident as possible. This will give your case the necessary information regarding the incident and whether or not your employer was negligible. Rules for accident reports states that they must be filed within 7 days of an incident. Don't wait this long. Get the report taken care of immediately, or you could be missing out on the damages you would otherwise receive with a successful Jones Act claim. Make sure your supervisor sends the report to your employer's human resources department and that the captain enters it into the ship logs. The report will go from human resources to your employer's insurance company. Seek medical care. Of course, if you have been hurt at work, it is also important that you get the medical care you need. Even if the accident seems minor at the time, you should get medical care. A doctor can treat your injuries, but also will provide valuable information you need for a claim under the Jones Act. Together with the incident reports, the documentation from your doctor will supply much of the evidence in the case that your employer was negligible. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget give, like, comment, and subscribe.